welcome to Dunkin' Donuts. Would you like to try our new Dunkin' Burrito Bowls? They come in chorizo and our fire roasted veggie.
No, I'm good. Do you have the Beyond Sausage sandwich? Crusty good morning. Hey, it's Kimberly and welcome back to my channel. We are going to go to Dunkin' Donuts and try the vegan Beyond Sausage breakfast sandwich. Let me be honest, this is probably my third time trying it, but I'm gonna go and get it for you guys so you can see how extra affordable it is, especially if you get it veganized, how good it is, and then we're gonna upgrade it because we're not actually on the go. We're gonna come back here to my house and I'm gonna upgrade it a little bit to make it an even more amazing breakfast sandwich. So we're gonna go do that, but first I gotta get these brows done. As you saw in my last video, these brows are long overdue, so we're gonna go get them done. I was trying to go with full for a while, but maybe I'm gonna go thin. I don't know. This place is really cheap. It only usually costs about $7, so I don't know, but we're getting to the point where we need to have them handle it. So I'm gonna go and do that thing, and then I will check back in with you guys. Okay, so the first one I went to doesn't have it. Oh, this is so frustrating. So I'm gonna try another one that's in a different town and see, hopefully they have it.
Hello, welcome to Dunkin' Donuts. Would you like to try our new Dunkin' Burrito Bowls? They come in chorizo and our fire roasted veggie.
No, I'm good. Do you have the Beyond Sausage sandwich?
How can I help you?
Do you have the Beyond Sausage sandwich?
I'm sorry?
The Beyond Sausage sandwich?
Beyond Sausage?
Yeah, like the vegan sausage sandwich.
Oh, no, that's only in the city.
Okay, thanks. Okay, so this totally changes everything because if I have to get in the city, like I wanted to upgrade the sandwich. I wanted to show you guys how you could add your own vegan cheese. I wanted to show you guys how I could add your own vegan cheese, how you could add avocado, tomato, like upgrade it. I mean, it's still amazing by itself, but let's just try one more spot, and then if not, we're gonna give up and I'll just show a video of me eating it in the city, regular. Well, they don't have it either. Okay, so today is Sunday and we are gonna try again because as you saw in the video, yesterday was incredibly unsuccessful. The only good thing that came out of yesterday was me getting my brows done. They are so nice and clean and I almost don't recognize them, but I love them because they just look nice and clean. I always forget how I end up looking with my brows finally done. But anyway, so we're going to the city today. I'm gonna take a class at the fitting room, which is like full body workout, which is awesome. And then in between that, before my vocal lesson, I'm going to go to Dunkin'. I'm going to get this Beyond Sausage sandwich and I'm gonna vlog it, and that will be the point of the video. We did not have that experience yesterday. We're gonna try again. Every other crazy scenario occurred as opposed to that one. We're gonna try again because we'll be in the city and supposedly, I guess the sandwiches are only in the city and it's gonna be delicious. I have faith.
Let's go.
I just wanted to give like a quick update rundown of everything that went on. I didn't want to talk while I was at Dunkin' because like, I don't know, it would have been loud or trying to figure it out or I don't know, being self-conscious. But main thing is like, I don't know if I'll leave in the audio and stuff like that, but you have to be really aware. Like I'm so glad I knew about this discount, this like secret discount before, because clearly when I asked the guy just now, like to give me that price, he almost made me pay full price for the Beyond Sausage sandwich, which is crazy because it's literally $4 or whatever, but I got it for $2. So as you saw in the receipt, what happened to me the very first time I went is that I went there, and I was like, oh hi, can I have the Beyond Sausage, like, you know, and I just want no egg, no cheese. And when she rung it up, I was like, what? This came out to like $2? Like, what do you mean? And then I realized that it's literally just the English muffin, and then they add on the Beyond Sausage. So when you go and you want to get it, just say I want an English muffin, and then I want to add on the Beyond Sausage patty, because then that way you have English muffin is $1.29, and then the extra Beyond Sausage is $1 adding on, so that's $2.29. That is so good. You cannot tell me that being vegan is not affordable. Like, there are ways around it, and there's ways to find affordable things. And then, like you saw, I added on the hash browns. I was told those are vegan. I looked on the website, and then I got an iced latte with almond milk, which I didn't really need that anyway because I don't drink caffeine that much, and I just kind of got it because I was excited. I was just like, yay, vegan stuff. But anyway, so it's so good. And what I was trying to say before is that I was going to buy it at home and then upgrade it with like adding avocado and some tomatoes and some vegan cheese and all that kind of stuff, but it's still good as is. So what I did in this case is that they have ketchup there, so I put ketchup on a patty and I added the little hash browns. And as you saw, so the guy gave me the sandwich first, and then I was like, oh, I had like the hash browns too, and he was like, oh, I forgot. And then when he finally gave it to me, I opened it up and there were 2 sets of those. So I guess he felt bad for initially almost overcharging me and then like forgetting the hash browns, and so he gave me 2 of them, and I was just like, yes. I was like, this is awesome. So I had 2 of them. I put that on the sandwich. I mean, who doesn't put like fries in their burgers? I know it's a sausage patty, but to me it just made it taste really good. So it was like, I put the sauce, I have the sausage, I put the hash browns on, I put a little ketchup, and then I'm good to go. It's really, really convenient, and it's really good and really tasty and filling. And the only thing I will say is that I love that it's offered everywhere in the city, but as someone that doesn't live in the city, or just people outside of the city, we need to expand. This thing should be everywhere. I mean, they have the burrito bowls, it looks like, or the breakfast bowls everywhere, but I guess they don't have the Beyond Sausage. Maybe they're trialing it in the city, but as someone that's had it maybe 4 times now, let's expand, because it's actually really, really good. So obviously I can't comment on like people that have the full-on sandwich with the egg and the cheese. That's not my thing. What I would love to do actually is, again, get it and be able to take it somewhere, add the just egg, add some vegan cheese, add some avocado, some tomato, put that all together. It would be so good. So anyway, that's my hint to you. If you want to get the Beyond Sausage patty and you want to save some money, you go in, you ask for an English muffin and an add-on of the Beyond Sausage patty. It should come out to like $2.29 or so. Add the hash browns if you want a little flavor. The hash browns cost 99 cents, aka $1. Now your meal's up to like $3.29. You haven't even gotten to the price of the normal sandwich, which, as you saw, I think I showed footage, it was $4.39, not including the tax. So that's with the egg and the cheese. That's my tip for you. Let me know down below if you guys have tried the Beyond Sausage patty. What do you think of it? Let me know if it's in your area. Now I'm curious because it wasn't near my house in 3 towns that I tried, which was a little overzealous, because at the second location she told me, oh, it's only in the city, but I was still kind of like hungry, and so I was like, let me just try a 3rd location. But that's all I have for today. Thank you guys so much as always for watching, and I will see you in the next one.